What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Sky. If you're new around here, we unbox and review epic random stuff you didn't know you needed. Today I have something very special for all of my keycap and keyboard lovers. I have the Rama SEQ2 Pbt Heavy Industry keycap set. And we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this. Stick around and let's see what we have. Alright, so this is my first time unboxing something from Rama. And I actually did buy this for myself, but this one was lent to me by a friend of mine. So thank you for that. So the packaging is just a cardboard box. And you have some very nice Rama stickers, in case you want to put those somewhere. All right, and now the moment of truth. Wow, would you look at that? Very nice keycap set. And let's lift this up and let's look at the one underneath it. And this is pretty much the contents inside the box. So Rama made this particular Pbt set for their 60-65% and TKL keyboards, and this also is a Cherry MX profile. And let's take a look at one of the keycaps. So as you know, these are Pbt keycaps, so very thick, very nicely done. And here I'm just zooming in on the print so you can see how nice it is. They really do a great job at these keycaps. I'm also going to compare for you how thick they are so you understand the difference between Pbt and a regular keycap. So this is your normal house key right there. So it's about as thick as that. And this is a regular keycap from my K95 Platinum keyboard. As you can see, the Rama is slightly thicker, and this should also make for a nicer sound. So we're going to be doing a sound test with my current setup, and then we're going to do a sound test with Rama. Alright, so let's remove my keycaps and put in some of the Rama. So as you can see, I'm using Cherry MX Browns, and let's put in the Pbt Heavy Industry and see what they sound like. So as you can see, none of the space bars that came with the Rama work with my keyboard. I had to keep my current space bar because the Rama ones didn't fit. So let's do a sound test right now. Keep in mind that I'm using Cherry MX Browns, not lubed or anything. So let's give this a test. So as you can see, there's actually a big difference. Even though I'm using Cherry MX Browns, it's actually much quieter, and it definitely changed the look of the keyboard. So I turned off the light so you can all see how this looks. Obviously they're not translucent keycaps, but just look how nice they are. Alright everyone, so that was it for the Rama Pbt Heavy Industry 2. Overall, I gotta say, I'm impressed. The quality is very nice, the colors are super bright, looks very nice indeed. As you can see, it even makes a K95 Platinum look good. Which by the way, I have a Rama U80 coming on the way. As soon as I get that, I will review it. Now, is it worth the $92? You can probably get a same quality keycap set for less money. Now remember, when you buy a Rama product, you are paying also for the brand, which you will sell down the road if you want on the mech market on Reddit, and you will probably sell it this quick because you're also paying for a limited edition. Once you buy this, you can't get it anymore, and they won't be making this set anymore. All of their products are actually a one-time run. So once you get your hands on one of their products, you could pretty much keep it for a long time, and then when you decide to sell it, you'll make a profit. I really appreciate you all for watching the video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Remember everyone, be kind to one another.